This is my Lotus Trolley Bag. Today I'm going to show you about the removable rod feature and a few other of my favorites. What a lot of people don't know is these rods on the end can slide right out of the bag. So if you want to use it as a regular bag, take it to the beach or the farmer's market, you're good to go. Also, I remove the rods if I want to put them in the machine to wash them on cold. Except for the cooler bag, that one just needs to be wiped down and then hang it to dry, and they dry really fast. For example, here's my smaller tan bag. And this rod, I can just pull it right out. And now I have a cute, simple bag that's easy and ready to use, multi-purpose, farmer's market, road trips, picnics. And when I am finished, the rods are easy to put right back in. And there's even a little marker here that shows you how far to slide your rod in, so they're equally centered and balanced in your grocery cart. At home, when I finish going to the grocery store, I like to take my reusable produce bags that I use for all my fruits and veggies, and I will store them right inside the pockets of my bag so that I never forget them. And there's another little pocket inside of this blue bag, and I'll put the medium and say the large ones in here, and then I'll fold up my bag. So now I never forget my produce bags, and they're always in there for the grocery store or the farmer's market, and I'm ready to go.